HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to draw a hot air balloon! Woohoo! It's kind of like a teardrop shape going in and down at the bottom. Do the strings attached to a love heart basket. Oh, perfect! Time to decorate the balloon with some curvy lines. How about some more love hearts? Every other segment. Let's blacken up the border. And the hearts. And ready to colour. We go for green for the top segment. You could do a rainbow balloon. What do you think? You don't have to copy the same colours we're doing. You can choose your own colours. We're doing yellow next. Oh, look at those lovely limey yellow citrusy colours. I just love them. They're so refreshing. Carefully colouring around those hearts. Have you ever been in a hot air balloon? Or seen a hot air balloon? Wow, It must be amazing, the view from up there. Wind in your face. Pink next. A pretty kind of pastel-y pink. I like that. What's your favourite colour? I love purple. I wonder where our hot air balloon is going today. Perhaps on a Valentine's Day ride. Blue next. Blue and pink look perfect together, don't you think? Perhaps you could go for a sunset ride in the sky. Wouldn't that be amazing? Watch the sun go down with your loved ones. We're going for a lovely purple at the bottom. Yay, my favourite colour! Now what colour should we do the hearts? How about red? Of course. That does look fantastic against the rainbow background. Ooh, love, love, love. I just can't wait to ride in this hot air balloon. I want to go all over the world and look down from the sky on the beautiful mountains and the oceans and the rivers. Oh, wouldn't it just be wonderful? Imagine. And there we have it. Do you like caterpillars? Me too. Let's draw. A circle for the head and more circles for the body. That's kind of easy, isn't it? It's just that each circle is slightly overlapping the previous one. Circle eyes. We just love those circles. Colouring in the pupils. A mouth. Smiling, of course. Some antennae. Spirals. Just like a lollipop. Some legs. Short ones to show they're on the other side. And thickening up the border. It's as easy as that. Ready to colour? Let's go for a nice pale peachy colour for the face. This caterpillar is feeling very peachy today. We're using paint for this one, but of course you don't have to. You can use colouring pencils or pens, whatever you prefer. Carefully going around those eyes and the mouth. Don't want to paint over the lines. Red for the next circle. Depending on how large you choose to draw your caterpillar, you'll have to choose the right sized paintbrush so that you can be very careful to stay inside the borders. What colour should we do next? What a great idea! Orange! I thought of that too. And next we can go for yellow. Brilliant. It's like we're getting paler and paler. Red, orange, yellow, fading towards the bottom. Can you think of what caterpillars turn into? We've gone for a pink here. Different shade. That's right, a butterfly. Isn't it amazing? Let's go for some purple feet. Purple is my favourite colour. We'll do them all the same colour. Keep it simple. That way they stand out against the multicoloured body. And there you have it.